Welcome to the Intellectual Freedom Movement. I'm your host, Harvey Dent, and tonight I'm going to go over how you can pay your bills right now using your secret Social Security Trust account. That's right, you have a Social Security Trust account that is kept secret that you didn't even know existed. I can prove it to you. Yes, I can. Well, everyone knows what a Social Security card is, right? Yeah, because you got to have this number in order to get a job so that they can tax, right? Well, did you know that this card, this number, is used for a little bit more than what you think it is? It is used to maintain a commercial private bank account. It's like basically a commercial entity, a private bank account in this name on this card, which is the same as on your birth certificate, with this Social Security number as your account number. Now, in order to determine which of the Federal Reserve banks is holding your secret account, you're going to look at the number on the back of your Social Security card. Okay, not the one on the front, the number on the back. And you're going to see a letter, all right? Now, that first letter you see, that's the only thing you want is that letter. And that letter is going to tell you which of the Federal Reserve districts your account falls in. Okay? So that letter we saw, that letter was C. And what I've done is I've simplified this for you. I went on ahead and took the page from the Federal Reserve Bank. I simplified this for you and put the letters here. So if you have an A or a B, and then you go and follow this list to determine which of the banks is your regional bank. Now, you see some have multiple numbers. You're going to have to plug in the numbers as the routing number go until it clicks. And usually you'll be able to determine which number is right just by the name of it. But so we're looking at C. All right. Now, C just happens to be Philadelphia. The routing number is 0310-00040. All right. So that is going to be the routing number. The account number is going to be the Social Security number that you call yours. Okay. That is the account number. Now, I did not add a zero ahead of mine. Some people are saying add a zero. I did not add a zero ahead of mine, and these are my results. Pretty convincing to me. So here is my PG&E bill, successfully paid for $999. That payment stayed as satisfied and paid. Did not bounce back. A little treat for those of you that happen to have a B. I have an alternate routing number for that letter. If the first New York number doesn't work, then try the one right here in red as the routing number, and then your Social Security number. Okay? Just a special reminder that, just because the amount is reversed does not mean that it is your fault or your error that the amount was reversed. These lenders, these banks, these companies, they all operate in fraud on the daily. So as soon as you sign your name, you sign your signature to that contract, they take that promissory note and sell it, either right back to this trust account, which pays it out, or to someone else who ends up paying it out later down the line. But it will only be paid out once from this trust account. So if they reverse it, that means it's already been paid out. Chances are it's already been paid out. Well, if you like what I'm doing here, why don't you go ahead and click that like button. Until you find your truth, keep looking.